Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you got the chance to check out my last week's episode where we made copycat peanut butter Ritz crackers. If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. Today, in another episode of our Toddler Snack Series, we are going to be making copycat fruit roll-up or fruit leather, whichever you want to call it. This is super easy and a delicious, healthy snack. For today's recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 3 cups of fresh strawberries chopped, 2 tablespoons of wildflower honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First step is to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Next, in a blender, you're going to add your strawberries, your honey, and your salt. You're going to blend together until everything forms a really smooth puree and there are no chunks left. You're going to pour your puree onto a baking tray that's been either lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Use a spatula to evenly spread your puree across your mat. Then this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your fruit leather in the oven for about 6 to 6.5 hours, or until the fruit leather is no longer sticky when you give it a little tap. If you baked your fruit leather onto a silicone mat, carefully peel it off the mat and transfer it to a large piece of parchment paper. Use some sharp scissors and cut the fruit leather on the parchment paper into some strips. Then, starting at the short end of your strips, roll it up kind of like you would see a fruit roll up. And then you can eat these right away or store them in an airtight container and they should last you for a while. And with that, our fruit leather is done. I absolutely love this recipe because not only is it great with strawberries, but really you can swap the strawberries out for any other fruit. You just want to make sure that you stick with the same measurements so that 3 cups of your fresh fruit that you can then stick in your blender. It's a really delicious, healthy alternative to your traditional fruit roll-ups or fruit leather that you'll find in your grocery store. Obviously, there's no preservatives in this, and they are grab and go, which I love, especially for our toddlers or even us adults. If you need to have a delicious grab and go snack, these are really nice to have on hand. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our delicious strawberry fruit leather or fruit roll-ups. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. You can also visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.